Look at guys. Wild blackberries. Hi guys! Good morning and welcome back again to my channel. And guys, yung asawa ko, wala siya dito kasi nandun siya sa shop. May ginagawa siya doon guys. And then, ako, gagala ako guys. So, sasamahan ko yung aking friend na si Ate Ludi. May pupuntahan kami. So, ganito lang yung outfit natin today because it's really hot outside. So I'm gonna just bring my bag, and you want to know what's inside my bag guys, so come on, I'll make do what's inside my bag. Guys, first, receipt from Walmart yesterday, and then I always have a wet wipes in my bag, my shades, my comb, what else, okay, my face powder. Malapit na siyang maubos guys. Sa Pilipinas ko pa to siya nabibili. My lipstick, this is a Maybelline lipstick, matte lipstick. My sign pen, lalagyan na ng shades. My coin purse. What else do I have here? The key. Yeah, the key in the house, car key, but I'm not yet driving guys. That's the original key from the truck. Another pen. What is this? A letter. Oh, this is from the letter from my husband from the, I don't know what is this. I think tax. Yeah, tax. But I use this to write the address, as you can see, because nagmamadali ako guys. Ito na lang yung ginagrab ko, sinusulatan ko. Address to nung pumunta kami ng bahay ng aking friend na si Ate Mercy. So ito. And then what else? Oh, my IDs. Yeah, IDs. I need to get some, what do you call that one? Pwedeng paglalagyan ng mga ID. What else? Gums. Okay. Our passport. My husband and my passport. And what else? What else inside in my bag? Ang gulo talaga ng bag ko guys. And my wallet. Yeah. I've got this last Christmas. It's the gift of my husband. This one and my bag that I'm using right now. And yeah. I have this Victoria's Secret. That's the perfume that I use when I go out, but when inside the house I just use cologne. Trash. Yeah, trash. A Tic Tac. I still have 4 pieces inside in it. And last but not the least, a rosary. Mama gave it to me. I'm gonna show you guys my rosary, okay? So I have this pink rosary, small one. I have this bigger one rosary, white one. So yeah, so that's it. That's what's inside my bag or my packet book. We call that here packet book. The first time that I hear my husband says that, can you please put my phone inside your packet book? I said, what? What's packet book? He said, your bag that you are bringing for. Oh, you call this packet book? Because in the Philippines, packet book, that is a novel that we used to read. So that's what I've learned. They called it here packet book. Yeah, so that's my bag. So that's it, guys. That's what's inside my bag. It's very hot. I'm with Ate Ludi. We're here na, guys, dito sa lumang bahay ni Ate Ludi. Yan po yung view dito, guys. Oh, ayan. Blackberry. Blackberry. We're looking for the blackberries. It's my first time. Asa ba? Black. So today, blackberry. A wild blackberry. Again. Good guys. Wild blackberries. Hi guys, we're here at Kroger. Ayan. Nandito kami sa parking lot, guys. Napakainit. Grabe. Ayan oh. Ang init talaga. Ayan yung Kroger. Ayan ano mo, te? Okay. Yep. So hi guys, I'm home from my lakwatsya for the whole day. Time check is 4:40 na ng hapon, and then yes, my husband is still on the shop. He's still working there, guys. So um I called him asking if what will be the dinner for tonight, because I'm thinking of I'm gonna cook, but everything is frozen. So he told me that he will stop at Quick Mart and get some pizza, so that will be our dinner for the night. So that's it, guys, for the whole vlog, and see you in my next one, everybody. Bye bye. Give love, because life is too short. Mwah.